Hi, I am here to demonstrate my 3-minute video. My name is Tina and this is Nancy.
Hi.
She's going to help demonstrate with me today. My goal today is to be able to cover almost 100% white hair at the regrowth and a very porous end in 45 minutes. So that's going to take two different types of colors. One is a permanent at the regrowth, the other one is a semi-permanent from mid-shaft to your ends. There are several questions you want to ask yourself before you get started. First of all, you have to know the desired level you're starting at and the determined level you want to achieve at both regrowth and ends. Second of all, you want to understand what tone you're at the regrowth and at the ends, and what your desired tone at the regrowth and ends will be, and also a percentage of white hair and the porosity. So with Nancy, her regrowth, as you can see, she's got 90% white hair in the front and 85% in the back. So she's very resistant at the regrowth. From her mid-shaft to her end, she's very porous. She's got bleach weave as well as about a level 7 copper gold throughout her hair. My goal is to create a level 6 at the regrowth and a level 9 throughout everything else. Of course, where her copper is, I'd like to tone that down. That'll be slightly darker, and her blonde will have a nice, warmer, softer, multi-tone shade. So my mixing formula for the regrowth is 25 grams of 6.0, 15 grams of 6.31, and equal parts, which will be 40 grams of color and 40 grams of 20 volume, equaling 80 grams of total color for my regrowth. From mid-shaft to the ends, I'm going to have 60 grams, so I have 15 grams of 9.01 and 30 grams, so that's 45 grams total. So I'll have 30 grams of 10 volume, so I'm going to double the volume, double the amount of 10 volume with the 9.01, equaling 45 grams of the 9.01. So as I apply the product, I am going to make sure I start at the most resistant area, which she is at the very front. Dabbing just the inch regrowth that she has, making sure that the ends do not get covered with any of my permanent color. As I proceed down from side to side, I will go to the back and apply the back. Once it's processed for 30 minutes, then I'm going to apply the semi-permanent color for 15. Her semi-permanent color does not need a total time of 30 minutes because it's more porous, and I like to have a translucent effect with a multi-tonal effect as well. So for 30 minutes, there have total time is 45 minutes on the regrowth and 15 minutes on the rest of the hair, only creating 45 minutes of total processing time. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll turn it back on and show you the results. Thanks.